Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 29, class 7, Subject Social Studies and lesson 2.5. And lesson name is Aspects of our social customs. Yes. Today I will teach you about our social customs. Yes. In previous class I teach you about social practice. Yes, common social practice. Yes, in that class we had studied about our some common social practice that love junior, respect senior. Yes, we respect as a god for our parents, teachers. Yes, and guest. Yes, same like that. Different things we had studied in that topic. Yes, and I hope that you all you had learned that chapter very well. Yes, and today I will teach you about special customs. Today I will teach you special custom. Custom means what? Dress. Special dress. Wearing by people. Unique dress. According to community, society, yes, caste, there is different types of, there is customs, yes. And today I will teach you here about customs. The special dresses and clothes worn by people in different communities as their unique custom are the special custom of Nepalese society. Yes, जुन ड्रेस जुन मान्छेले लगाउँछ यस युनिक ड्रेसहरू त्यसलाई नै के भन्छ त स्पेशल कस्टम स्पेशल ड्रेस which we wear in our Nepali society. Yes, different in Tarai region people wear different dress, different clothes. Yes, customs. In hilly region they wear different customs, and in mountain region they wear different customs. Yeah, according to community also we wear different types of custom. According to caste also we wear different types of customs. Same like that, Nepali have their own special custom as per physical reason, gender and caste. Just I have explained you about that. Yes, according to physical there are different types of custom. According to caste there are different types of custom. Same like that, according to gender also there are different types of custom. Okay, listen here. In hilly region, in mountain region, the people in mountain region wear bakhu, docha as common customs. Yes, men in hilly region wear daura, surwal, boto, juari, coat, waist coat, Nepali cap. Yes, in hilly region men wear. Yes, केटा मान्छेहरूले लगाउने ड्रेसहरू दाउरा सुरुवाल भोटो यस कोटहरू यस नेपाली क्याप etc. And women wear sari, blouse, cholo, pachauri, yes, pachaura, patuka, paharia, this is paharia, cholo, faria, pachaura and patuka. Yes, women wear these all customs in hilly region. Yes, men wear daura surwal, boto, yes, coat, Nepali cap. Same like that, women wear sari, blouse, cholo, yes, faria, pachaura, patuka. And in Tarai region, men wear kurta, shirt, pajama, dhoti, gamcha, yes, turban, yes, and women wear sari and blouse. Yes, in Tarai region they wear sari and blouse. Here we can see here different physical, according to physical region. Yes, we see different customs. Yes, men wear different, women wear different. Yes, according to caste also people wear different custom. We can see that. Yes, Brahman, Kshetri, yes, Muslims, Tamang, Gurung, Magar. Yes, there are different types of dress customs. Yes, according to caste also. Yes, according to the women in Gurung, Tamang and Magar communities wear ghalak and tikia, and the men wear gado made from bhangra. Yes, This custom do not decorate only the individual but the whole society. Yes, they only do not decorate the people, individually. They decorate whole society. Yes, in this way, the different special custom owned in Nepali society are another aspect of social custom. This is one another aspect of special custom, social custom. Yes, here are different types of dress which wear by different people according to caste, according to gender, according to physical aspect. Yes, in Tarai region, people wear sari, blouse, dhoti, gamcha. Yes, same like that in mountain region, people wear baku. Yes, docha. Yes, and same like that in hilly region, daura, surbal, coat. Yes, dhaka topi. Yes, in Tarai region, kurta, short, pajama, gamcha. Yes, and women wear sari and blouse. We can see here. Yes, we can understand these things where people which types of dress wear. Yes, and next topic is ornament. Next topic is ornaments. Yet what is the meaning of ornaments? We know that very well because we use. Yes, because we use these things. The things made of valuable object and designed to add beauty of something or somebody are called ornaments. Yes, कसैलाई एउटा राम्रो देखाउनको लागि एउटा राम्रो डिजाइन भएको भ्यालुएबल थिङ्स, यस, राम्रो देखाउनको लागि यदि युज गर्छन् भने त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ त ornaments. Yes, the things made by valuable things, objects and design added by beauty of something or somebody are called ornaments. Yes, we can see here ornaments. Yes, ornaments made of gold and silver are used by people in our society. Yes, we use ornaments. Yes, which are made by gold and silver. Yes, maximum we use in festivals. Yes, otherwise when we are going to any party. Yes, or anywhere to anyone to visit. Yes, in that time we use that valuable things. Yes, in our society that things we follow. Yes, same like that the different ornaments used by the people reflect the social custom. According to social custom also ornaments are used. Yes, ornaments are used according to social custom also. They are different according to physical reason, yes, gender and caste. According to physical reason, gender and caste. Yes, ornaments are different. Yes, maximum people use gold rings. Yes, chains and bangles are very common ornaments for males and female both. Yes, gold ring male also can wear and female also can wear. Chain, yes, both we can, yes, wear. Bangle, these things are very common. Yes, according to gender there are some different ornaments. Yes, pote, tilhari, nogeri, yes, fuli, these all are wear by women people. Yes, pote, clips, tika, sirbandi, dungri, fuli, bulaki, tilhari, nogeri, yes, etc. are owned by the women in different communities. Yes, beside Hausali, worn around the neck is popular in Tarai region. Hausali is very popular in Tarai region. Yes, Makasi worn in ears and Tayal worn around neck are popular in Newar community. Yes, these all things are about what? Ornaments. Yes, because we know very well about ornament because we people also use ornaments. Yes, according to caste, according to gender, according to physical aspect, yes, reason, there are different types of ornaments. Yes, today this much. Yes, in next class I will teach you next lesson. Yes, now I am going to give you some tasks. Please complete your tasks. This is your task. Write any three characteristics of Nepali customs. Okay, write three characteristics of Nepali custom. What custom are owned by Guru woman? Yes, Guru woman ले लगाउने custom को नाम लेख्नुहोस्. Yes. What do you mean by ornaments and special customs? Yes, you write here definition. Okay. This complete your task and learn also. Yes. Thank you for today. Stay safe. Stay home.